Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 E450 wagon. This one's black. Underneath here it's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury line with a luxury exterior and interior. Exterior lighting package with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, 18-inch multi-spoke wheels, black MB-text interior with a burl walnut wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. Come around back, E450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Underneath this is the fold-down third row seats. Driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus, speed limit assist, premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns, different camera angles. This E-Class has 23,175 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 E450 4MATIC wagon, visit us at feldmanimports.com.